Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, Rifki here, and in this video we are going to make the category. Okay, to make this it's not hard, it's easy. So to make this, uh, we are going to use the grid system from Bootstrap. Okay, let's open the Bootstrap website. Okay, now grid. Okay, so even though we are using React, we still can use the Bootstrap uh, code right here. But after we copy it into our project, we still have to change other thing, like in Bootstrap they use class, but in our React project just change it into class name. Okay, so each of this category, put in put it inside column. Okay, so this column is wrapped inside the row container as row, and then we wrap it again and inside the container, same such as like this. So with that we can to make it responsive. Alright, so here we have in this column image for the mobile games, and then image to call the image. It's sort of different from the normal HTML. In React we use require, and then your your uh, your folder, image folder. Okay, and here is the text below the image, which is here. Okay, do the same thing to the other category. It's all the same. Okay, uh, can say that that's it. Very simple. So I think that's all. See you next in our video, our next video.